Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. Just mapping the shapes in here. Getting that tilt of the head, which is what's so charming about this pose, I think. Just making sure I'm happy with my shape to start with, and then I'll start kind of strengthening up the lines. You had to move that tail down a bit. This is the stage for correcting. These lines help me pop the eyes into the right place. I like that. Please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or what you want to learn about cat drawing. I love to hear from you. And if you have a video idea for a particular cat pose, then put video idea in capital letters in your comment and I'll find it much more easily. Pop those eyes in. And cute little nosy. I like that expression. It's sweet. I want to be really careful with how many lines I add because less is more. And we'll start darkening up some of the lines that I like. And an eraser is always handy for getting rid of where there's too many excess lines. But I don't worry about a lot of the lines because they just blend in the background tone. I think that without all those extra lines that I created when I was finding my way, that this drawing would lack quite a bit. It really adds tone to the drawing to just allow them to blend into the background. And just a hint of toes. Just refining things. I really like my expression. And I love those crisscrosses at the tops of the ears. I know they're not actually really there, but they just add so much charm and movement in the drawing and energy. And I'm allowed to do what I want with my drawings, right? Part of my style. It's fun. You can just find your own way and be who you are. Yeah, that whisker was up too high. It kind of drew attention away from where it needs to be. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.